you? Are you finished your previous class homework? Once check the answers from the board. Pause the video and check the answers. Okay children? Check all these answers properly and correct it if any mistakes are there means. Okay, otherwise leave. Okay children? Pause the video and check the answers. Now already we have started ascending and descending order. Yes or no? Are you started ascending descending order or not? Yes, we have started. So what is an ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest, increasing order. Ascending is nothing but increasing order. What is an descending order? Descending is nothing but decreasing, big to small. Already in practice zone 6, ascending order is completed. So now we are going to start descending order. So descending order is nothing but arranging from greatest number to smallest number. Arranging from greatest number to smallest number. So in that first one is descending order. Now it is arranging descending order. What is the first question? 12,415, 48,320, 22,213, 22,222. So you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. It is nothing but decreasing order, arranging from highest number to lowest number. So in all these numbers, how to find the greatest number? To compare the numbers, first we have to count the number of digits. So all are 5-digit numbers only. 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digit. All numbers are 5-digit numbers. So compare the digit from highest place. So which is the highest place value here? 10,000. 1, 4, 2, 2. In these numbers, which is highest, biggest number? 1 or 4 or 2? Which is the biggest number? 4. So this is the greatest number. In descending order, first we have to write the greatest number now. So 48,320. What is the next one? 1 or 2? 2 is greater than 1. But this is a 2 and this is also 2. If both are same, then what we have to do? Compare the next digit. So what is the next digit? 2, 2. Again both are same. So compare the next digit 2, 2. Is it same or different? Same. So go for next digit. 1, 2. Is it same or different? Different. So which is the greatest number? 1 is greater or 2 is greater? 2 is greater. So what is the greatest number? 22,222. After that 22,213 and next 12,415. So which number you wrote, you can strike off that numbers also. Okay. So next, second problem, 86,753, 86,471, 92,234, 91,315. So 86,753, 86,471, 92,234 and 91,315. Here 4 numbers are 5-digit numbers. All these numbers are 5-digit numbers only. So we have to arrange arrange these numbers in decreasing order or descending order. So which is the greatest number here? If all the numbers are 5-digit numbers, then we have to compare the digits from 10,000s place. So 8, 8, 9, 9. In 8 and 9, which is greater? 9 is greater. So if 9 is greater, this is 9 and this is also 9. So what will come? So what we have to do? So compare the next digit. 2, 1. So 2 and 1. In 2 and 1, which one is more? 2 is more. So this is the greatest number. 92,234 is greater. After that, 91,315. 91,315. Next, in these two numbers, 8 in 10,000s place. So check the thousands place digits. What are the thousands place digits? 6, 6. So same in thousands place also. So check hundreds place. What are the digits in hundreds? 7, 4. So 7 is smaller or greater than 4? Greater than 4. So this is the greatest number. 86,753. After that, 86,471. Understood? 86,753, 86,471. Okay? So two sums completed. Now once open your worksheets, all of you take out your worksheets. Page number 8. Write the following numbers in ascending order. So here in page number 8, 8th bit. In page number 8, 8th bit, write the following numbers in ascending order. So you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So do these sums. All of you do these sums in worksheet. 3,847, 96,921, 95,213 and 1,702. 1,702. So we should arrange these numbers in ascending order. So to arrange in ascending order, first we have to find the smallest number or greatest number. Ascending means small to bigger, big to small, small to big. So first we have to find the smallest number. To compare the numbers, first we have to count the number of digits. So how many digits are there here? 4 and here 5, 5 and 4. So 4-digit numbers are there and 5-digit numbers also are there. In these numbers, which is smaller? 4-digit number is smaller or 5-digit number is smaller? 4-digit numbers are smaller than 5-digit numbers. But this is 4-digit number and this is also a 4-digit number. So we have to find the smallest number from these. Which is smaller? Yes, 1,702 is smaller. How? Because 1 in thousands place and 3 in thousands place. 1 is less than 3. So 1,702 is smaller than 3,847. After that 3,847. Next, this is 5-digit number and this is also a 5-digit number. But here 9 in 10,000s place, 9 in 10,000s place. Same. So compare the thousands. 6 in thousands, 5 in thousands. So 6, 5. Which is smaller in 6 and 5? 5 is smaller. So 95,000 921. 96,921. Okay. So last 96,921. Okay children. Next, go for next problem. 89,654. 89,645. 98,645. 78,645. Here also we should arrange these numbers in ascending order. So all are 5-digit numbers. So find out the smallest number. So check yourself and tell the answers fastly. Ascending order. Which is the smallest one? Yes, by 78,645 is smaller because 7 in 10,000 place, in remaining numbers 8 and 9 in 10,000 place. So it is smaller. Next 89,000, 89,000, 600, 600, 5, 4. So which is smaller? 4 is smaller. It is 9 in 10,000 place, but here 8 in 10,000 place. 10th place digit is different. So 89,645. After that 89,654. After that 98,645. 98,645. And next problem, third one, 10,015. 10,015. 10,000. 10,100. 10,100. 11,010. 11,010. So these are the numbers. So find out the smallest number. All are 5-digit numbers. 1 in 10,000 place, 1 in 10,000 place, 1 in 10,000 place. So check the thousands place digits. 0, 0, 0, 1. So which is smaller? Which one is smaller? 0 is smaller. But this is 0, 0 and 0 in thousands place. But here 1 in thousands place. So leave that and compare these three. See here in hundreds place 0, 0, 1. So in 0 and 1 which one is smaller? 0 is smaller. So these two are either this is smaller or this one is smaller. But here same digit in hundreds place now. So check the tens place digits. 1 in tens place and 0 in tens place. Which one is smaller? 1 or 10? 1 or 0? 0 is smaller. So 10,000. 10,000. After that 10,015. After that 10,100 and 11,010. Okay children, understood? 10,000, 10,015, 10,100 and 11,010. Completed? And next problem. Fourth one. 12,345. 13,245. 1,324. 13,254. 13,254. So these are the numbers. Find out the smallest number. Yes, 1,324 is smaller because it has 4 digits. Remaining all are 5-digit numbers. Now find out the smallest digit. 2, 3, 3. Which is smaller, 2 or 3? 2 is smaller. So 12,345. After that, this is 13 and this is also 13. So check the next digit. 2, 2. Which one is smaller? 2, 2. Both are same. So check the next digit. 4, 5. In these two, which one is smaller? 4 is smaller. So this is the smallest number, 13,245. After that, 13,254. Is it right? Yes. Next problem. 63,209. 10,048. 35,602. 5,949. This is a question. Here, which is the smallest number? Smallest number is, count number of digits. 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits, 4 digits. So this is 4 digit number now. So 4 digit number is always less than the 5 digit number. So 5,949. After that 6, 1, 3. Which one is smaller? 1 is smaller, so 10,048. After that 6 and 3. In 6 and 3, which one is smaller? 3. So 35,602. And the last one is 63,209. Okay. Next problem. F1. 70,007. 70,007. 70,707. 70,070. 7,007. 7,007. This is the question. Same. Find out the smallest number. So smallest number is here. This is 5 digit number, 5 digit number, 4 digit number. Sorry, this is 70,070. 70,070. Okay. This is 5 digit number, 5 digit number, 5 digit number, and this is 4 digit number. So which one is smaller? 5 digit numbers are smaller or 4 digit numbers are small? 4 digit numbers are smaller. So 7,007. After that 777. These are 5 digit numbers now. So compare the 10,000 place digit. 7, 7, 7. All are same. So check the next digit. 0, 0, 0. Again same. Next 0, 7, 0. Which is smaller? 0 is smaller or 7 is smaller? 0 is smaller. So either this is smallest number or this is the smallest number. So now check in these two. Next digit is 0 and next digit is 7. 10 space digits. 0, 7. Which is smaller? 0 is smaller or 7 is smaller? 0 is smaller. So 70,007. After that 70,070. After that last 70,707. Okay children. Next last one. 9,875. 5,789. 7,859. 87,988. numbers. So which is the smallest number? This is 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. In all these, which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? Yes, 5789 is smaller. After that, 7859. Next, 9875. Next, 87,988. Okay, children. Next. Now, this is the ascending order. Next, descending order sums are there in worksheet. You can do that as homework. Okay. Now, do you know what is an even number and what is an odd number? Do you know even and odd numbers? Even numbers. Even numbers. So, what is an even number? Even number is nothing but a number which is divisible by 2. A number which is divisible by 2. Even number is nothing but a number which is divisible by 2. Or we can say it as a number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in one's place. In one's place. A number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in one's place. Those numbers are called even numbers. So, even numbers are nothing but a number which is divisible by 2. So, a number which is divisible by 2, all those numbers are called even numbers. And one more definition, a number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the one's place. Understood? Either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the one's place, those numbers are called even numbers. So, a number which is divisible by 2, those numbers are called even numbers. Which is not divisible by 2, those numbers are called. So, a number which is not divisible by 2, those numbers are called. Which is divisible by 2, those numbers are called even numbers. Which is not divisible by 2, those numbers are called odd numbers. Those numbers are called odd numbers. Even is nothing but which numbers are divisible by 2, those are called even numbers. Which is not divisible by 2, those numbers are called odd numbers. So, odd numbers have, what are the digits in one's place? A number which has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the one's place. At the one's place, those numbers are called odd numbers. Understood? Understood? Can you give one example of even numbers? Example of even number. What is an example of give an example of even number? 798. Is it even or odd? Even, because 8 in one's place, so it is divisible by 2. So it is an even number. Now, is it an even number? No, because it is not divisible by 2. So it is called odd number. Okay, children. Next, numbers. See here, prime number is nothing but a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. If you take 2, if you take 2, 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. Next 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. Divisible by 1, 2, 4. 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. Next 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. So 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So some of the numbers are divisible by only 2 numbers. It is nothing but 1 and itself. Some of the numbers are divisible by more than 2 numbers. So if a number is divisible by 1 and itself, those numbers are called prime numbers. So for example, 2. How many are there? 2 is divisible by only 1 and itself is nothing but by the same number. So 1 and itself. So 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 5 also divisible by only 1 and 5. So 5 is also a prime number. Next 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. More than 2 numbers. It has more than 2 factors. So it is not a prime number. And 1, 2, 4. 3 factors are there. It is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. Because of that it is also not a prime number. This is not a prime number. Next 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Next 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. So these are the prime numbers. Not only these, more are there. So what is prime number? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime numbers. So which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime numbers. Here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 27, 29, 31. Like that totally 25 prime numbers are there up to 100. Up to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. Now once you see these prime numbers, so in all these prime numbers, even numbers are there, odd numbers are there. So what are the even numbers here? What are the even numbers here? 2 is an even number. 2 is an even number. And remaining numbers are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. All these numbers are odd numbers. So only one even number is there in prime numbers. So 2 is called the even prime number. Understood? 2 is nothing but 2 is an even prime number. So remaining all the prime numbers are 2 is an even prime number. Remaining all the prime numbers are odd. So prime number is nothing but only 2 factors. One, a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime numbers. What about 1? 1 is divisible by 1 only. That means it has only one factor. It is divisible by only 1. So what about this 1? Is it a prime number? No. 1 is not a prime number. Understood? So 2 is an even prime number. 1 is not a prime number. It is neither prime number nor see here which numbers have only 2 factors, those numbers are called numbers are divisible by 1 and itself, those numbers are called prime numbers. And some of the numbers have more than 2 factors, those numbers are called composite numbers. Composite numbers. Some of the numbers are divisible by more than 2 numbers. For example, 4. It is divisible by 1, 2 and 4 also. So it is divisible by 1, 2, 4. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. So more than 3 are there now. These numbers are divisible by more than 2 numbers or 3 numbers. These numbers are called composite numbers. These numbers are called composite numbers. And 1 is divisible by only 1. 1 is divisible by only 1. So, if a number is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime numbers. More than 2 numbers is called composite numbers. But it is divisible by only 1. Because of that, it is neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. Understood? Now all of you open your books. Take out your books, all of you. Worksheets. Worksheet, page number 10. Page number 10. State whether the following statements are true or false. Total number of even numbers between 10 and 30 is. Between 10 and 30 is. Total number of even numbers between 10 and 30 is 9. So find out how many even numbers are there and write. Next, total number of odd numbers between 20 and 40 is 10. So find number of odd numbers between 20 and 40 and find. Right. 21 is a prime number. So check it. It is prime or composite. Next, 11,986 is an even number. So is it even or odd? Write down true or false. Next, 98,743 is an odd number. So find out and write it is even or odd number. So today's homework is page number 9, 9th bit. And next from page number 10, 10th bit. Page number 10, 10th bit. In worksheet. In workbook. Do in workbook. Understood, children?